Sepoy Muhammad Ismail Khaskheli. Muhammad Ismail, son of Din Muhammad Khaskheli, was born on the 12th of September 1955 in village Maldasi Shahdadpur Taluka, Sanghar district. He was educated in Sindhi till the 5th grade. He started writing poetry around 1975. His first teacher in poetry was Hazrat Piri Jaz Sain Rushdie of New Saidabad. After that, from 1980, he took guidance in poetry from Abdul Khalik Abdi Rind, who was a resident of Sathmal, Nawab Shah, Sukrand. Around 1978, he met Hazrat Kuba, Sain Makdoum, Muhammad Zaman, Talibul Mala. May Allah have mercy on him. He also got the pen name Sepahi from Makdoum Sahib. Sepahi. Muhammad Ismail Khaskheli's poetry was accepted by Radio Pakistan Hyderabad in 1990. At that time, the station director there was Inayat Balok, who recorded his first poem in the voice of the famous painter Mumtaz Ali Lashari. It was a coffee whose words were, "My beloved words are all true." So far, more than 40 of his songs and poems have been recorded in the voices of renowned singers of Sindh. His poetry is often broadcast on Radio Pakistan, Hyderabad, Khairpur, Lakhana, Mithi, and PTV. His only source of income was government service. He retired in 2015 after 40 years of service. Soldier Muhammad Ismail Khaskheli's first collection of poetry, Spahi Jan Sadayan, was published in January 2021, while his second collection of poetry, Sapna Sipahi Jar, is still in the process of being published. Poetry. Today I have tears in my eyes. She cried yesterday because situations have come, and that messenger has come. I heard what he said. I am crying. Leave him and go and touch him. Why are you worried? Why are you asking now? Today I have tears in my eyes. Another messenger went to me and said, "Here I am in torment. Everything is because of him. I am here today and tomorrow. There are tears in my eyes. The messenger took off my feet. I found red in my search. I can tell you this news. My breath is shaky. Today I have tears in my eyes. It is getting late today. I will see for myself. I will ask him about his condition. As you are getting tired, I am also getting tired. Now this is the condition of both of us. Today I have tears in my eyes. The messenger came with a message. He was angry and jealous. For whom did he come? He already knew this. Separatist M. Ismail Khaskheli, Shahdadpur.